Welcome back to the channel. I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. We out of here again at the Corvette show, and this show has taken place at the Myrtle Beach, North Carolina area. This is a beautiful C6. Nothing like the proud ownership or owning a Corvette. I am the proud owner myself of a C7 Stingray, sharp gray in color, 7-speed manual transmission, LT2 packages, and she has a red seats. Has chrome wheels just like this one. This one does here. That's a LT1 here. I have a LT1 too. The LT1 engine. What is it? What is a LT? See, is it LT1? I have LT2. This is the LT1 here. And the LT2 is come with the navigation system, red interior, and cameras on the front of the vehicle, and cameras also on the rear of the vehicle. And the next model I get probably gonna be a C8, unless I can find myself a ZR1. And of course I want the L23 packages. And if I can't find that, then I'll go for the C8 Z06 and getting the LT3 packages on it. If you're gonna get you a C8, some of the must-have on your C8 would be a front end lift, high performance exhaust, and that's a beautiful C6 there. But yeah, you definitely want to get that front end lift on your C8, and get the high performance exhaust on it too. Simply because if you go to aftermarket, you're gonna pay more money for the aftermarket exhaust on these vehicles. The thing about these vehicles, they you have years and years of enjoyment out of them. That young lady that you see right there, she's the owner of this Corvette here. And it's a LS3 here. It's a C6 model. That's her right there. She on this vehicle. So you guys think that females don't own vehicles like this, and you can think again. Like I said, it's a LS3 Corvette C6. Some of these vehicles today are still worth a whole lot of money, especially when you got the the C7. Now you can get a C7 today, and depends on how many miles on it. Get lucky if you can find one up under $50,000. And this is the same color as my interior on my vehicle. This young man here reminds me of my nephew. And this is a C7, I believe, convertible. And if you think you don't have any trunk room, then think again. Look at all this trunk room here for this C7 here. I think this is this is a Grand Sport base model Stingray. Automatic. And this is a C5 here. You can get a great deal today on a C5. You can find yourself one. You know, they usually, it's one thing about these vehicles. They usually you can usually find one in pretty good shape. Most owners of these particular vehicles, they take very good care of them. And, you know, and because I use mine as a daily driver, I'm definitely in the market of gonna get myself another one. I'm gonna keep the one I got, but I want to get me another one because I want me one that's, you know, that's in prestige, mint condition, and I don't want to have to be driving it every day, and I want to keep it forever. You know, so maybe I get me a brand new one. To me, these cars are just as good as a Lamborghini or McLaren, Porsche. You know, it may not cost as much, but the Corvette is definitely into the supercar status, supercar realm. With the new C8, and even before the C8 came out, he had the ZR1, which was supercar status. You know, ZR1. You know, the price of those vehicles like $149,000, $150,000 for a LT3 packaging. And those red trims that you see on this Z06 here, that's tie trimming kit that you can order from the local shop. I think they're about $79 for that little tie trimming trim that go around the wheels of your vehicle. You can get that at CorvetteMod.com and put that on your wheels. But if you like to take your car through a car wash, and you have those particular